If Hytale keeps saying failed to connect to server, this is the fix you want to try first. Start by closing Hytale completely. Don't just disconnect. Fully exit the game and launcher. Next, go to your Windows search bar and type firewall. Open Windows Defender Firewall, then click Allow App through Firewall. Look for Hytale on the list. If it's there, make sure both private and public are checked. If it's not there, click Allow another app, browse for the Hytale executable, and add it. After that, click OK and close everything. Now, reopen Hytale and try connecting to the server again. If it still fails, restart your router or internet connection. Then relaunch the game one more time, as this clears temporary network issues that block server handshakes. That's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.